Hi everyone, my name is Akorede Adenike. You're welcome to my channel. In this tutorial today, I would like to teach you how to use this tailor's arm to iron out your bust area. Now let's begin. Now on the wrong side of my bustier top, I'm going to notch all this area with 1/4 of an inch. I'm doing the same thing on the second side of it. After that, I'm going to start my ironing by open the seam little by little and iron it out. I'm going to take my tailor's arm now for the bust area. As I'm opening it, I'll be ironing it just like this, little by little. If you are new on this channel guys and you haven't subscribed, please do so now and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for you to be notified each time I upload new video. And if you have any question pertaining to cutting and sewing, please leave the comments in the comment section below. So when you get to the upper part here, you flat iron it just like this and make sure you open the seam. I'm going to do the same thing on the second side. Flat this place and iron it out. Take your tailor's arm, use it to iron out the bust area just like this. If you follow the step, you will enjoy making the bustier top. The upper part, flat iron it just like this. So for me to iron out the right side, I'm going to push in the wrong side like this. I'm pushing it out. I'm pushing it in, sorry, for me to iron out my right side just like this. I'm taking my tailor's arm to iron the bust area just to make it round. Make sure the seam are open like this inside. I mean on the wrong side before ironing the right side. You can even sprinkle the water on it to make it lay very well on the outside. I mean on the right side of the top. If you have your steam iron, you are good to go. Just make sure you iron it very well to make it round. And make sure you flat the upper part here before ironing it. Sprinkle the water to make it lay very well. If you have your steamed iron, like I said, you can make use of it. As for the tailor's arm, the more you use it to iron your bustier, the more the masking tape sticks together. For those that are confused about the masking tape that is going to be melted after ironing it. So if you want to know how to make this tailor's arm, I have a video on how to make it. I'm going to drop the link to that video in the box below. So go watch it to understand. Now for me to iron out my center front, I'm going to push it in like this. After pushing it in, you have to iron it like this. Make sure you are careful about the bust, on the bust area, sorry. Just make sure you follow this step and you will enjoy making bustier top or dress. As you can see now, it's very beautiful. Look at it on the inside. Very nice and beautiful. Here is where I'm stopping for today, guys. If my tutorial has been helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertaining to cutting and sewing, you can join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Please show some love by liking and following my page on Facebook at Akorede Adenike Sewing Tutorial. Till I see you in my next video, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.